Are you ready to turn your real estate lead follow-up from a time-consuming chore into a streamlined powerhouse? Today, we're diving deep into the Follow-Up Boss Dialer, the tool designed to make your outbound calling faster, more efficient, and ultimately, more profitable. Let's get started. First things first, logged into your Follow-Up Boss account. Make sure you have the dialer enabled in your settings. If not, reach out to Follow-Up Boss support to get it activated. Now, navigate to the contact you want to call. You can do this by searching their name in the search bar or selecting them from your smart lists. Once you're on their profile, you'll see the phone number and, most importantly, the dialer icon right next to it. Go ahead and click that dialer icon to initiate the call. A pop-up window will appear, confirming the contact's name and number. You'll see options like call, SMS, and add to a power dialer session. If you want to call a list of contacts in sequence, click call to begin the call. During the call, you have all the essential tools at your fingertips: a call timer to keep track of your conversation length, a mute button for privacy, a keypad to enter numbers, and importantly, a notes section to jot down key points from the conversation. After the call, don't forget to disposition it. Select the appropriate outcome, like connected, left voicemail, or wrong number. This helps you track your progress and understand your lead interactions. Add a brief note summarizing the conversation. This is crucial for future follow-up and ensures everyone on your team is on the same page. All your calls are automatically logged in the call history section, giving you a comprehensive record of your outbound efforts. This makes tracking progress and managing your pipeline a breeze. And that's it. By using the Follow-Up Boss Dialer, you can significantly boost your lead conversion rates and close more deals. Start dialing and watch your business grow.